Hey guys, Kenny here. Do you guys ever in your discretionary trading make execution errors? Let's talk about it. Execution errors. That's what we're talking about today. Discretionary execution errors. We had a couple today trading the NFP report. And what we had was a very bearish report. The 517,000 jobs and non-farm payrolls. Expectations 188,000. Oh my gosh, was the market about to sell off? Let's take a look at this real quick. Now we did get the sell through, so we went ahead and went short 55, right? On the retrace, a little bit of retracement back to this low, something like that. What was interesting is I just happened to switch over to, I usually use a 4-minute chart, switch over to the 1-minute chart. Thought I was looking at the 4-minute chart. I was like, whoa, we're getting serious momentum here. Jumped out, covered the position right here. You see at 59. I'm like, wait a second, I'm looking at a 1-minute chart. That's my sell area was 60. We're going to add another position up here on this volume at 60, right? Had to go back in at 56. That was like 4 points in slippage, $200 in slippage, execution error. Now that kind of stuff is going to weigh on your psyche as well. You're like, why did I make that mistake? I was supposed to be selling, I was buying, had to go back in on the short side. What's more, should have had another contract short. I only rode one contract short. Ended up pulling about $950 out of the market today, $905 out of the market today. So that wasn't bad, but just it was like watching paint dry. And then you have this weighing on your psyche about this execution error. You should have had another $1,000. Should have been a $2,000 morning, right? But it wasn't. It wasn't. Who doesn't have execution errors? And I've actually talked about something else very interesting. Who doesn't have execution errors? Now, once we got back up to this pivot, 41.44, we're like, oh, we're going to go ahead and sell another one. So we sold at 41.75. A bot that's programmed, trained to sell only at the pivot's going to wait for that. We literally watched this tick right here to 41.75, 41.44.75, which would have gotten us in at 41.44.50. Would have gotten us in the trade. So there's another 3 points in slippage to $150, right? So the bots, again, would have, in theory, beat a discretionary trader when we're just all human. We're prone to execution errors. What's more, I made a reference, my buddies are coming in town, play golf today. I've got to be trading, right? Discretionary trader, you got to be trading. Run the bots. Now, I mentioned in the video today, in the video this morning, the bots can augment, supplement, or replace your discretionary trading totally, and you can be free to work a regular job, to do whatever you want, and not have to sit here and watch paint dry as the market jumps around 38. Today was a win. We didn't have any bots trade this report, but we do have bots that do trade early session and post session. So speaking of Robot Lab, we would love to have you. It's a fantastic community where if you want to take your trading to the next level and you take your stress, drop it to the next level, we'd love to have you. Check out the website, chat with the support team. We got a fantastic group of support. You would not believe it. Check out Wednesday. Christian's going to have an amazing presentation on the Robot Lab so you guys can find out all about it. But in the meantime, I hope you guys have a great Friday. And if I can find my thing, there we go. I hope you guys have a great Friday, a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Peace.